Within each of us lies a source of infinite wisdom, our higher self. It's the part of us that's eternal, connected, and aligned with our true purpose. Yet, in the busyness of life, we often forget to connect with this inner guide. Today, we'll explore how to connect with your higher self daily and why it can transform your life. This connection is subtle yet powerful. It whispers the truth, guides your actions, and brings inner peace. The higher self is the wisdom beyond your mind, the part of you that is calm, clear, and deeply aligned with your life purpose. It is eternal and unchanging, a source of guidance, love, and clarity. The observer, the observer that sees beyond ego, fear, and distraction. Connecting with your higher self allows you to tap into intuition, insight, and spiritual clarity. In today's fast paced world, stress, distractions, and overthinking cloud our inner guidance. Daily connection with your higher self helps reduce stress and anxiety, make aligned and conscious decisions, experience inner peace and purpose, enhance creativity and clarity. Even a few minutes each day can rewire your mind and deepen your connections to your true essence. Start your day by setting intention before your mind gets busy. Sit quietly and take deep conscious breaths. Ask your higher self for guidance in your day. Visualize your day flowing with purpose, clarity, and ease. This simple practice creates alignment and opens your inner channels to guidance and wisdom. Meditation is the most powerful tool to connect with your higher self. Beginners can start with focused breathing, observing through observing thoughts. Meditation is the most powerful tool to connect with your higher self. Beginners can start with focused breathing, observing thoughts without judgment, visualizing a light or energy connecting your heart and mind. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily strengthens your connections and allows subtle insights to emerge. With consistent practice, your higher self begins to communicate through intuition, inspiration, and clarity. Journaling is a bridge to your higher self. Ask questions such as: what guidance do I need today? What decisions should I take with clarity? What lessons am I living? What lessons am I learning from recent experiences? Writing without judgment allows your inner voice to speak clearly, and insights often emerge spontaneously. Your higher self thrives in alignment with love, compassion, and presence. Practice mindfulness by being fully present in daily tasks, engaging in small acts of kindness, observing nature and the present moment. These practices keep your connections alive, making guidance practical and real in daily life. End your day by reflecting on your experiences. Acknowledge guidance you received. Notice moments of intuition or clarity. Express gratitude for lessons and growth and for what you have. Gratitude strengthens your connection, deepening the relationship with your higher self over time. Connecting with your higher self is subtle and requires practice. Challenges include mental chatter and distractions, ego and fear based thoughts, impatience with results. Be patient, connection grows gradually, just like a plant nurtured with water and sunlight. Consistency is the key. Your higher self is always present, guiding, loving, and supporting you. Daily practices, meditation, reflection, mindfulness, and gratitude. Create a breeze to this eternal source of wisdom. Pause, breathe, reflect, and connect. Because your higher self is the best guide, teacher, and friend you will ever have.